My Xbox working. I was online before everything broke, so I can't load some stuff like. The hell you doing? I can't load everything currently, like my skins and such, but yeah, I'm still online, like, currently. Like, I'm able to. I hate Xbox servers. Well, doesn't everyone? It's not the first time it's been down. Solo or friends? Solo for tonight. What the heck? It was like laggy. Oops. I'll probably let friends join like next stream or something, but I don't plan on going like 8,000 blocks away, so don't worry about that. I'm actually gonna build near the spawn chunk so I don't lag like crazy like the other world. Fluky, if Xbox servers are down, they're down everywhere. It's not just America. Spawn next to 2 freaking villages. Like, this is pretty dang lucky, to be honest. It's a really good spawn point, too. But yeah, no, I love that world too, Alex, but like, it's so impossible for me to play on sometimes because of the lag. It's ridiculous. I want to get a freaking better computer so I can just stream on Java. Make a freaking survival world on that. Make it a million times better. Oh god. See, like, there's still that frame drop every once in a while. I don't know why. It's so dumb. How am I on? Because I have had my Xbox on all day. What the hell is that? Why is it... Oh. Wait, that's not it. Wait. What the fuck? Yeah, that's a bug or something. I don't like that. Take the map out of your hand. Well, I think it's doing it with the pickaxe too. Yeah, like look, it's doing it with the pickaxe. Like it would be bobbing up and down. I'm gonna leave that there. Hello, second edits. How you doing? Did I check everything? No. Am I just gonna be asked that question throughout the whole time? Is like, how am I on Xbox? It's like, I was online before everything went down, so nothing affected me. What happened to the jungle world? Nothing. I still have it. Just made a new one for now. I know the servers are down, but they're not down for me, so... Well, Minecraft, obviously, but... I don't know, you get what I mean. Okay, I think I checked everything in this village. In Xbox world? Yeah, because my computer is Garbo and can't stream Minecraft. Playing Call of Duty Infinite Warfare? Man, that game is old. What the heck? Oh, hello. What the hell? Is this like a new thing? I've never seen this before. The whole village is just like evacuated. Is there even an entrance to this? What the hell? It's a zombie village? Is this new? I've never seen these before. I've never seen one of these before. I think this is freaking weird. Alright, time to go back where your spawn is and do something.
Thanks to you, George. Now everyone knows, and we appreciate that. Try some grilled nuggets yourself at your local.
Wait, did you say you smashed up the car?
Yes, it's completely smashed. What, 4 free phones?
Switch to Boost and get 4 lines for just $25 per line per month. 4 free phones with unlimited gigs, all on our super reliable, super fast nationwide network. Boost Mobile, switch that gives you more. Terms and conditions apply. New customers only. Visit boostmobile.com for details.
This Labor Day, shop small appliances from HomeDepot.com to get your kitchen ready for fall. Because those lunches won't make themselves. Find everything from programmable.
Is that supposed to be a jungle tree?
And with free delivery plus easy in-store returns on brands like KitchenAid and Hamilton Beach, get appliances so smart they'll practically make meals for you.
Oh, that's dark oak. What the hell?
Small appliances online at HomeDepot.com.
I am confusion.
Kinds of doing. U.S. only. Offer valid through September 8th. Limitations.
Get rid of some stuff for now. Oh, not the pickaxe. Whoops. Yeah, I saw the thing about the Titanic or whatever, and they said that's gonna... Okay. Yeah, they said it's gonna go in the same exact path as the first one did, which I think is just stupid. Just realized that. Yep, that's typical. We are just not going to dig up that coal. And I'm going to kill sheep. That is a gray sheep, I just realized. That's not gonna work. Chances of hitting an iceberg are much lower because of global warming. Well, you got a point. By 2022, we'll probably all be dead anyway, so. I heard your ass, I knew. Freaking heard the footsteps of the damn creeper and I was like, oh, I better hurry up. How long am I streaming for? I don't know. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, Cameron Tucker, thank you for subbing. I appreciate it. not go this way. I am going to need torches because I forgot how freaking dark this version is. I don't know what my inventory organization is right now, but I do not want to talk about it. Oh, I was looking at chat. Oh my god, I literally just... Oh my... That's cool. Oh, come on. Okay. I thought it was about to fucking fall on my head. Alright. Yep, come up. Why is this Enderman still following me? Can you guys not do the whole fucking Alex Brandon thing back and forth? It's really annoying. Because that would just be considered spam if you guys just keep doing that. What a nice lighting glitch. Where's Jack? I don't know. Go ask him. Don't ask me. This Enderman is tripping me out. What? I'm his best friend. I don't know if I am or not, but I appreciate that you assume that. But I don't know his whereabouts 24/7, and I don't know why people expect me to, and why people always ask where he's at, because I don't stalk him, and I don't know where he's at all the time.
Find everything from programmable slow cookers to pop-up toasters. And with free delivery plus easy in-store returns on brands like KitchenAid and Hamilton Beach, get appliances so smart they'll practically make meals for you. Save up to 25% on small appliances online at HomeDepot.com. More saving, more kinds of doing. U.S. only. Offer valid through September 8th. Limitations apply.
How are you spending your Labor Day weekend? How about not spending as much? Come into the Home Depot and save up to 40% on appliance special buys. Get a Samsung washer and dryer for just $4.98 each. Prevent your clothes from being frayed, your budget from being snagged. See why with Labor Day savings.
What's in the background? Currently an ad, but it is supposed to be Spotify.
Last gas dryer extra 6 door 52 valid for September 11.
Because I don't have Spotify Premium, so I get ads all the damn time, which is really annoying. And these freaking shadow bugs are really annoying too. Damn it. I accidentally threw my stuff. God dang it. This shadow bug is gonna get annoying real quick. Xbox Live's back up. Well, that's good. Thank God. God, am I gonna have to fucking do this every time? That's gonna be fun. God damn it. I'm just gonna go back up and smelt all the iron and make tools. I'm gonna hit 1 mil soon. Well, at the rate my channel is going, I'm not hitting it anytime soon. It's only been 35 minutes and I'm already bored. Oh, I put batteries in backwards. I'm a freaking idiot. Vanilla or modded? Vanilla. These batteries are good, right? Yeah. Okay. What the? Do. Oh, it's fence gate. I'm an idiot. Wait. Wow, I'm a fucking idiot. Ugh. What am I doing? Am I trying to craft? I know what I'm crafting, it's just I'm being a dumbass and it's freaking annoying to do it on Xbox with a controller. It's slow. How's my night been? Oh wait, no, you're talking to Fluky. Never mind, my bad. Thank you, VLC, for subbing. I appreciate it. I don't know how to properly pronounce your name. I'm sorry. I need one more cow. Thank you, Juan, for subbing. God fucking damn it. No. Oh my god. I hate Xbox sometimes. Oh, I completely forgot to put the fucking ducks away. Oh my god.
From HomeDepot.com. Now you can get everything you've always dreamed of, from charming couches to chic coffee tables. And with perks like free delivery and easy in-store returns, your home will look even better than your Pinterest board. Save up to 40% on furniture online at HomeDepot.com. More saving, more kinds of doing. U.S. only. Offer valid through September 8th. Limitations apply.
Hi, I'm Jay Farner, CEO of Quicken Loans. 30% of Americans who are planning home improvements of $5,000 or more will pay for those renovations with a high-interest credit card. That may not be a great idea. A better idea may be to take cash out of your home with a Quicken Loans 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. The rate today on our 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is 4.125%. APR 4.22%.
Yeah, everything's fine. I actually forgot to put my freaking pet ducks away like an idiot. So my mom just got home and they were outside still. I was supposed to put them away like 2 hours ago at this point. On, the sun is it's like legit almost nighttime. Thank you. Oh, broken hearts. I'm not taking the time to place all that. And I accidentally made shears. That works, I guess. Fine. I'm not tired, I'm just bored, to be honest. Oops. I ever owned a PlayStation? No. Well, okay. Like, a PS4, no, but a PS3, PS2, PS1, and stuff, and such like that, yeah. I mean, I don't have the funds to get a PS4 currently, so... Alright, Fluky. Have a good night. Or morning, technically, since it's like 5 a.m. where you are. Yeah, pretty much. He is pretty much nocturnally, like, never sleeps during the day, or, like, night. I mean, I'm almost the same way sometimes, but... Gotta do something. Alright. No problem. Oops. Man, already? Come on. Oh, what? Lag? Okay, that was interesting. Oh, I'm putting these in the wrong spot. Whoops. Hello, Miguel. How you doing? Oh my god, gravel is so annoying.
Frank's Red Hot is the perfect blend of flavor and heat, so you can put that on everything. Like buffalo wings. Everything. Buffalo nachos. Everything. Buffalo mac and cheese? Yes, and also things that don't start with buffalo. Frank's Red Hot. I put that on everything.
Fall is all about color. So is Vigoro Colored Mulch at the Home Depot. Right now, at Labor Day savings, just $3.33 a bag. Vigoro is 100% natural shredded wood, 3 beautiful shades. Beautifies your garden while retaining moisture. And at this low price, it also goes great on your budget. Today is the day for doing with Labor Day savings on Vigoro Mulch, just $3.33 a bag. Now, at the Home Depot. More safe, more doing. Selection varies by
What? It's restricted. What's restricted?
Sale has been extended. Through Tuesday, get a king mattress for the price of a queen or a queen for a twin. It's our best bet deal of the season with savings of up to $600. Plus, get a free adjustable base with your mattress purchase of just $4.99. Visit mattressfirm.com or a store near you to find your perfect bed. But don't wait, this sale ends Tuesday at Mattress Firm. Offer valid with qualifying purchase. Restrictions apply. Not at participating locations only. For offers, visit mattressfirm.com/sale.
But, what do you mean you don't know? What is it saying then? If you can't watch, how does that even make sense? He'll be right back, I guess. Okay, that works. I'm confused and I don't know why I won't let him watch, apparently. Oh, I forgot I have in-game music on. Oh, that makes sense. Does that mean I could change my skin now that it's like fixed? Nope. Surprised I haven't ran into a cave. Jeez, that scared me. Surprised I haven't ran into a freaking cave yet. Hello, monster. That wasn't a fart. That was the sound of me moving my footrest across the floor because I have a tile floor. What do you mean, where is nasty? I'm literally talking. Okay. What? You're saying it's restricted, which means you wouldn't be able to watch it, but you said I fart, which means you can hear the audio of my thing moving across the floor. So how does that make sense? What a teacher question. Why do I always rage? What kind of question is that? Lol. Game? Okay. Hello, Mavello? I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm sorry. Hey, thank you, Slendid, for subbing. I appreciate it. Should get a face cam. I would use a face cam if my computer would allow me to, but my computer isn't strong enough to be able to run one. I like physically can't use a face cam right now. I would if my computer would actually allow me to, but I just simply can't because I don't have the money to afford a better PC at the moment. No, I'm not gonna need it. I'm fine.
Get yours at dollarshaveclub.com.
If I need any to build like a house or something, I'll just go mine more stone.
Planning home improvements of $5,000 or more will pay for those renovations with a high-interest credit card. That may not be a great idea. A better idea may be to take cash out of your home with a Quicken Loans 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. The rate today on our 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is 4.125%. APR 4.22%. Call us today at 800-QUICKEN or go to rocketmortgage.com.
RocketMortgage.com.
Mattress Firm's Labor Day sale has been extended. Through Tuesday, get a king mattress for the price of a queen or a queen for a twin. It's our best bed deal of the season with savings of up to $600. Plus,
How have I not hit a cave yet?
purchase of just $4.99. Visit mattressfirm.com or a store near you to find your perfect bed. But don't wait, this sale ends Tuesday at Mattress Firm. Offer valid with qualifying purchase. Restrictions apply. Valid at
Oh, I'm about to. I can hear stuff now. I hear a skeleton. What is your question? Can this stop happening with this stupid lighting bug? What the heck was that? I just got like a weird gust of wind. Where are you, lava? I can hear you. Ah, hello. Is it just gonna stay there? Oh, that's the source block, okay. Well, I'm under a swamp. That's nice to know, I guess. back. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Alright. Have a good night, Alex. Where the heck is this source block? Is it all the way? It's at the surface, isn't it? Oh, never mind, it's right there. Am I seeing what you're seeing? No. was the hardest subject in school for me? Probably science. I don't know, I just sucked at it. I mean, if you want to count PE, I guess that too, because I'm not the most athletic person. Struggle in geometry. I don't blame you. I kind of sucked at geometry, but then I like got the hang of it after a while, and I was decent at it. Make sure that cooks. I'm just gonna wait for this to cook and go back up to the surface for now. Well, obviously there's more to geometry than just shapes, but like, I don't know, you get the point, I feel like. No, that's a copyright ad. Don't. I'm playing non-copyrighted music and I get an ad that has a copyrighted song in it. That's cool. No, stop.
Hi, I'm Jay Farner, CEO of Quicken Loans. 30% of Americans who are planning home improvements of $5,000 or more will pay for those renovations with a high-interest credit card. That may not be a great idea. A better idea may be to take cash out of your home with a
If I could have anything in the world, what would it be? Life that isn't as boring as mine.
or go to rocketmortgage.com.
Mattress Firm's Labor Day sale has been extended. Through Tuesday, get a king mattress for the price of a queen or a queen for a twin. It's our best bed deal of the season with savings of up to $600. Plus, get a free adjustable base with your mattress purchase of just $4.99. Visit mattressfirm.com or a store near you to find your perfect bed. But don't wait, this sale ends Tuesday at
Something tells me that you haven't realized like how unfun Forza has been lately, but like the game itself is really freaking boring, but like when I'm with all my friends and everything, yeah, it's like it's somewhat fun. But like it's the game just sucks. Can you join? Sure, I don't care. I mean, at this point, I just need fucking people to talk to because I'm just fucking bored. Just invite everyone, I guess. Oh wait, I think the freaking world, I think it's like still saying Xbox is down for me, hang on. I might need to restart my game. Yeah, it's saying this random BS real quick, hang on. Am I going to have to actually go to that website? Mm-hmm. Dude, I really have to get a fucking... Oh my god, two-factor. God damn it. $13.99 $525. All right, Justin. You just restarted your Xbox? Okay. I'll just restart mine, I guess. Mm-hmm. Do. Do. You got that dead on the spot, Giraffe. I'm 19. That screen took a while. Yeah, it takes forever for this console to start. Thank you, Killer Gamer, for subscribing. I appreciate it. If you're even in the stream.
Hola.
Hello. Hello to Mayo. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Lane, I would probably have to add you for that, so I'm gonna say no, sadly. I'm sorry. I don't want to have to go through the trouble of having to add a bunch of people to start up a fan world. If I were to ever, like, start up a server for, like, people to join on Java, I would, though. Are you Corbin? Okay. Is the game gonna do this again? Is it really gonna do this again?
Oh, Jesus. I start talking and then my mic's like, okay, let me just switch input.
I think my game is gonna do the stupid thing it did like 2 days ago where I was trying to load it up and it just got stuck on this freaking screen and just never loaded for like the whole freaking night.
That's fucking annoying, only when you're streaming too. You gonna work, game? Hello? Come on. Low key, the teams of 20 mode is kind of fun. And not, I've been playing that. But after this, I'm gonna get on Minecraft because Fortnite's kind of.
Let's see if it even works.
Dude, I really hope you win that fucking PC giveaway, dude.
I haven't even made a video on it because I just don't even know how I would explain myself. Hey, I have a channel with like 50 something thousand subs and my computer, my current PC is a piece of
Sucks.
garbage.
That's
and
exactly what they want to hear.
I could really use
That's
it.
what they want to hear.
Just like knowing my fucking luck, I probably wouldn't end up winning it anyway. It would just be like over a month of hoping for it just to end up not winning.
I mean, I'll look back at the submissions, but I'm pretty sure, like, since you're probably gonna have a bigger channel than all of them, I mean, if you still have a shit PC, they're gonna be like,
You don't know who's the one that's reading the submissions too. It's like, oh, this guy's got 50,000 something subs. He's probably making enough money or has a part-time job that he can buy his own PC. He doesn't need it. Let's give it to some kid.
That's the only way I can see you losing, though. Like, if something like that happens. Because if they think you're, like, just wasting your money on shit you don't need from your 50k subs. But, I mean, if they're smart enough, they'll look at your total views and see, wow, yeah, he probably doesn't have enough money to buy a PC. I don't know, if they're intelligent, you'll win. If they're, you know, just kind of, like, skimming edges, then probably not. But honestly, I'd say you have a pretty good chance. It's like a free $1,000 PC, so I'd go for it.
Alright, well, my game isn't working, so that's awesome. Well, I'll be right back. I have to end my stream because the game won't work. Alright. Well, to the 22 people magically watching still somehow.
Yeah, Fortnite sucks.
Come to realize I'm gonna end the stream.
It'd be nice if we had a PC so I could
because,
just get on Windows 10 Edition.
my game stopped working. So
Wait. Honestly, okay, in my opinion, what you should do is try to enter that giveaway, and let's say you don't win, you can get like a $100 graphics card. I'll tell you which one it is, and that'll basically make your PC almost equal to mine, except you probably won't have like render issues or bullshit.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll be able to game and stream on it pretty well, but
The HP website tells me what graphics cards are like compatible that I can put in it, but I don't know.
pretty much everything's going to be compatible with it. Unless they really cheaped out on the motherboard, which I doubt, because, I mean, my PC's basically cheaped out, and, I mean, it still works. I'm pretty sure they're, like, universal, unless your PC's, like, 50 years old.
Well, it's like 5 years old, I'm pretty sure.
Mine's the same, age as yours. We're both 2nd gen Intel.
Alright, well, I'm gonna end the stream, guys. So, I'm sorry that my game stopped working, so there's not much I can do about it. So,
I'm actually feeling Minecraft right now. That's gay.
I'll talk to you guys in the next one, I guess.